So we're gonna do Brittany's full face, what she has been getting before COVID, and this is her, I think, her fourth treatment, and she's showing you the results. So I'll put the before and afters up later of exactly how her skin looked before, where she had hyperpigmentation covering her entire cheeks before she started coming, and because she has a lot of hair on her head, so people who have a lot of hair on their head usually have a lot of hair everywhere else too. So she's been getting a laser. So how do you see the results happening?
My results, they've been really good. It was slow at first, but about the third treatment, I really saw my skin clearing up and it looking softer, and the hair started, it wasn't growing back after like the third treatment.
Yeah, exactly. Because the reason why Brittany results started after the third treatment is because Brittany was one of our clients who was waxing the hair, and she transitioned from waxing to actually lasering her face. And once she decided to do that, her skin started to clear up. All of the blemishes that come from the hairs, because she has a problem area right here, I'm going to treat this extra, it starts to clear her entire complexion. And once she's done with her laser hair removal, she's actually going to start getting chemical peels just to all the way even her out. How's the pain feel?
It's like a
1
4,
to 10. Yeah.
4 out of 10.
What do you feel? Do you feel like it hurt, waxing hurt more, or the laser hurt more?
Oh, that's a good question. I think the waxing, the laser hurts more on my problem areas.
Yeah.
But they're both, I don't know, they're both about the same. You get used to the pain.
Mm-hmm. Kind of like, especially for getting these good results. I get used to it. That's what I did. The lip is always one of the harder areas because it's so thin that they can feel anything that's thin. They can feel it more.
Mm-hmm.
Just on your lip, lift this up a little bit more. Make sure not to move. The lip is always the part you feel. It's the same as when you wax a lip. You can feel that too. But the skin's so thin right there. And I like to go in a pattern and not jump, because I know exactly where I shot and where I didn't shoot. Here, top of her lip. Okay, I'm gonna do the corners. I'm looking at it, so I'm gonna do the corners here. This one over here. Okay, now I'm gonna have you turn all the way towards me. Perfect. And this is the treatment I recommend for all women who your cheeks, you feel like you can't get the answers. And well, for me, myself, all these years I thought I had acne, but I did not. I actually had ingrown hairs on my face. And once I started doing laser, everything changed. My complexion changed, the smoothness of my face changed. So like how Brittany's is, that is exactly what started happening to me. And the neck is just always harder, and it takes more treatments to remove the neck because the hair is thicker down there, it's more dense. But I am going to make sure to shoot her problem areas, and what I can tell the problem areas is where the hairs are still causing havoc. Right here, and right here. And it's so crazy that I have the exact same spot on me where it's causing the issue. And I gotta go back and retreat again.
I'm sick. It's really no hair on your face, Brittany. It's really no hair on your face.
It looks great. I'm gonna shoot that extra just to always shoot the targeted areas. Go over it again.
Slight fuzz she had is gone. That slight fuzz that you can see like over the top of the skin is gone.
That's why you have to make sure to come to all your appointments. Okay. Do you feel like I covered every single area? Any area that was missed?
Yeah, you covered it all.
Okay. We're all set.
How do you feel now?
Oh, I feel good.
That's good.
Hey, y'all. All right. all set for today.
Hashtag clear skin. Do you feel like a show off, Brittany?
I do. I really do.
Period. Wait till we get that chemical peel popping.
And that's that.